Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Trina, the owner and creator behind Diamonds and Dust. We are on day 6 of our 12 days of Christmas. Whew, that is going by so fast. I hope you guys are enjoying the series so far. If you are, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to join my Diamonds and Dust Facebook group with the link in the description, as we are doing daily giveaways over there. I have a really fun tutorial planned for you guys today, so let's get started. Today we are working on a 24-ounce plump from the Still Magnolia. Make sure you check the description down below for a discount code for you guys. I am using an 80 grit sanding block just to rough it up really well to ensure good adhesion. And then I am taking Miss Lillian's Chocolate Kiss paint and giving it a good base coat. Once that paint is all dry, we're going to take a couple milliliters of epoxy and spread it really thin on our cup. I do this by just taking a little bit and really pushing with a gloved hand. All you're looking for here is even coverage, but not like a layer of epoxy, just enough to make sure your whole entire tumbler is sticky. Then we are going to take the glitter color Boot Camp and cover the entire cup with that glitter. Once that epoxy layer has cured a couple hours, we're going to coat this cup until smooth. Usually over glitter, that takes me about 2 good coats. Now that your epoxy is cured, we're going to take some sort of crackle medium. I am using Miss Lillian's, and we're going to brush that on in fairly a thick layer. We don't want it too thin here. The thicker your layer is, the thicker your cracks will be. I'm going to be using Miss Lillian's Australian Sand to go over my crackle medium. You're going to want to do this pretty quickly while that crackle medium is still wet. And instead of like pushing your paintbrush on, you're going to kind of float it over that crackle medium just with a slight touch. Now that you have your tumbler coated with that paint, I'm going to take my heat gun and just get this to dry and crack really quick, and it will give you those nice big cracks. Once that Crackle paint layer is all dry, you're going to add another layer of epoxy to your tumbler and print out a white planked wood pattern on clear water slide. Then we're going to apply this to the cup, and how I do that is I just get the backing to start to slide off, applying like only an inch at a time, and then I just use my finger to get out any air bubbles, wrinkles, or water, and then I just slowly remove the backing, working in a couple inches at a time until we have wrapped it all the way around our tumbler. Then I take a damp paper towel and just make sure that it's completely smooth by rubbing the paper towel over any bubbles or creases to get them to lay flat. Once you have that water slide applied, if you have any overhang, you're just going to want to take your X-Acto knife and cut off that excess that overlaps. Let the water and everything dry on your water slide, and then you're going to add another coat of epoxy. I am going to put this Koala No Need Spray white water slide to the test, and I'm going to cut out or print and do print and cut with my silhouette with these cute pine cones, pine needles, and holly berries on the white water slide. I did not spray seal these with anything, so we are going to see how this goes. But I'm just going to put it in the water for a little bit until that backing comes off. I'm going to remove the excess around the print and cut and slide it on to my tumbler where I would like it to go. I'm sure you guys realized, but I forgot to mention that I did put my decal in the center before I put all these little pine cones and holly berries around, just so I could kind of gauge where I wanted the placement. But I went with this cute pine cones and holly berries SVG from my shop because I just thought it was so perfect. I did it in red and gold. Then you're just going to continue going around your cup with all these cute elements, placing them sporadically around until you get the desired look. Now it is time for your final layer of epoxy. And here is our tumbler all finished. This has got to be another one of my top faves from this series. All in all, I really liked that Koala No Spray water slide. The only difference I noticed is since it's not sprayed with anything and it's thinner, that you have to apply it really gingerly. But all in all, I think it's a great product. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to look for me on all other social media platforms under Diamonds and Dust.